Hi and welcome to my channel. We'll be discussing fashion, fitness, and ways for you to focus on greatness. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. 5 spiritual detox baths. If you love baths, be prepared to kick your bathing time up a notch. Why a detox bath? A detox bath is the perfect way to cleanse while soothing tired muscles. A detox bath is one of the easiest therapies we can do to facilitate our body's natural detoxification process. Detox bath's primary ingredient is Epsom salt, but you can add your own favorite ingredients and essential oils to double as aromatherapy. Ginger detox bath. 1/4 cup Epsom salt, 1 bottle of hydrogen peroxide, 1 tablespoon of ginger, 10 drops of lemongrass oil. Mix well. Eucalyptus and vanilla detox bath. 1 cup Epsom salt, 1/2 cup baking soda, 3 drops of eucalyptus essential oil, and 8 drops of vanilla that you can mix in coconut oil. Milk detox bath. 1 cup Epsom salt, 1/2 cup of baking soda, 1/2 cup of almond milk, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and 10 drops of almond oil. Salt detox bath. 1/4 cup of Epsom salt, 1/4 cup of baking soda, 1/4 cup of Himalayan salt, 1/3 cup of apple cider vinegar, 10 drops of your favorite essential oil. Lavender detox bath. 1 cup of Epsom salt, 1 cup of baking soda, 10 drops of lavender. Thanks for watching and let me know which ones you try and how you like them below.